Hello everyone, welcome to Study with Sowmiya. This video will be helpful for the beginners or the aspirants, those who are just now started their UPSC preparation. As a fresher, if you take the geography syllabus, you will get feared or confused to cover the syllabus. For that, what you can do means, first you have to cover the previous year question topics. Once you have covered the previous year question topics, you can upgrade your notes by taking the test series or reading the newspaper regularly. Previous year question topics are very important because UPSC has the tendency to repeat the previous year question topics. In this video, let's see what are the important previous year question topics in geography. Geography, the questions can be factual or conceptual. Factual means we need to remember. Conceptual means we need to understand. The factual parts are rivers, mountain, hills, peaks, volcano, island. That means we have to remember these concepts and we have to do repeated revision. The conceptual part in Indian geography are monsoon, soil, crops, vegetation. First, let's see the factual parts. If you want to remember the rivers, we have to make notes of its origin, mouth, that ending place, tributaries, passing state. If any protected area located in the river means we have to make note of it. Wetland, falls, glacier, projects related to the rivers. Then we have to divide the rivers like Eastern Ghats origin river, Western Ghats origin river, East flowing river, West flowing river, Himalayan rivers, Peninsular rivers. By this way, we have to make note of these rivers. Next, we should know about peak, mountain, hill, wetland, island, volcano. For these things, we need to know their location. These are the factual parts in Indian geography. Next, we have to cover the conceptual part like monsoon. If we take monsoon, we should know the concepts like southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon. We should know the in-depth knowledge of this monsoon chapter. Apart from that, we need to cover the crops. Example, if you take rice means we should know its producing states, in which soil it can be grown, is it water efficiency or not, in which season what crop can be grown, the schemes related to the crops. Then we have to make note of forest survey and we have to collect the data of tree cover, forest cover, mangrove cover, and some of the important data we have to collect and make note of it. By this way, we can cover this Indian geography. Next, in world geography, the factual parts are river, sea, lake, mountain, hill, peak, desert, volcano, island and states. The conceptual part are climatology, oceanography. In climatology, we need to cover the concepts like clouds, winds, climate and these things. In winds, we need to cover seasonal wind, local wind, permanent wind. In climate chapter, we need to cover all types of climate: equatorial climate, Mediterranean climate, monsoon climate, desert climate, British climate, China climate. These climates, we should have the in-depth knowledge. Apart from that, we should know about El Nino, La Nino, cyclone, thunderstorm, jet stream, polar vortex. Next, in oceanography, we need to cover ocean currents, tides. Then factual parts are like rivers, sea, mountains, hills, desert, peak, island, volcano, states. Apart from that, we have to make note of the regions which are popping out in the news. By this way, we can cover the world geography. These are the previous year question topics. Kindly go through these things. If you are a fresher, try to build the basic foundation with this previous year question topics. Once you have done with this previous year question topics, build your knowledge from the remaining chapters. By this way, you can cover this geography syllabus. Thank you.